I won that on eBay. Give it up. Sorry if I got glass in your chili there. I will fill up them bowls, courtesy of the Fatone. Oh, yeah. Hey, don't go.
Are you serious right now? Could you be any more obvious staring at Cody like that? What a loser. No one likes you, lamey.
Hey, don't call her lamey.
Oh my God, are you Joey Fatone from NSYNC?
Yeah, you goddamn right I am. That's right, Joey Fatone. Right here on this picture, that's me, purple tips. And I know Justin Timberlake too. Hey, Amy.
Girl, I feel like such a fool. You know what I'm saying? I went and fell in love with the most popular girl in school.
Catch back-to-back episodes of Your Pretty Face is Going to Hell, Friday at midnight on Adult Swim.